Hello. Hey, everybody. This is Chuck, and we're going to talk about everything that's behind the scenes at the Rose Sanders Law Firm, personal injury, and Texas in general. Now, today, I got as from the previous things we've been talking about, I am so sick of the clients using me as a bank. Like, I understand you need help, but what's enough is enough. However, today, I decided that I'm going to actually help a lady out. Now, she got in a horrible wreck in Texarkana. The guy got a ticket, yet how somehow he wasn't stupid enough to blatantly admit fault to his insurance company, and she said something about taking evasive action, like she swerved to avoid hitting him. And that insurance company is using her evasive action tactic to try to say that she's only 50% liable, which in Texas it doesn't even matter because it's a contributory comparative negligence jurisdiction, so we would allocate fault, 50, 60, 60, 40, 80, 20, and you're paid in accordance. However, interesting to me is whether it's 50%, 5%, if the limits are $30,000 and her bills are $60,000, excess is still there. So what's 40% of $60,000 that are available? That's still gonna be over 30. So it's a moot point. But, so, getting back to the client, she is in, Texarkana. By the way, I think we might be one of the few firms in the country that have at least 3 cases in 2 cities that have 2 different states in them. Anthony, Texas, New Mexico, and El Paso in the same city. Texas, New Mexico, same city. Then you have Texarkana, Texas, and Arkansas in the same city. So she needs a rental car till the 26th, and she has 5 kids. So I was like, you know what, let's do it. You know why? Because I have a good feeling about her. I think she's going to wake up in the morning and take care of her kids, go to the doctor. She has a plan. I'm going to do it. But what is a good deed? Is it a good deed when you know that she's going to help your business? It's a good deed, you know why? Because I'm not going to take it out as an expense. See, one thing about personal injury law is that we also get paid back for our expenses in the case. So, at the end of a case that settles, if it's $30,000, I get 10 as my contingency fee. Then I can start deducting expenses. And certain lawyers just deduct. And they deducted their 10, and it's turned into 15, and there's nothing left to pay the client. Not me, I'm not going to charge her. But she needs it, and I'm doing a good deed. So that was today. See you later, until we meet again.